Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm sure all of you are already in the EzyTRX ecosystem, and if you don't already know the beauty of this program, it is 100% decentralized. There is a smart contract wallet you can check on tronscan.io, and it's also peer-to-peer. That just means that there is no company or central depository that holds your funds or take a cut or a commission from you. All the earnings in Tron tokens go straight to your Tron wallet. This also means that you don't have to do a withdrawal and there are no withdrawal fees. In this platform, you can choose to invite people or you can choose not to, it's totally up to you. But based on my personal experience, it's better to invite at least two people under your downline so that your earnings will be expedited. So let me first show you how to register for EzyTRX. Don't forget to have your TronLink Chrome extension already downloaded and fund your account with at least 1,000 Tron tokens to begin. So first of all, what you want to do is just ensure that you have logged in to TronLink. I made the mistake last night of leaving it idle. So for those of you who keep clicking on register and nothing happens, it's because you have left TronLink idle or you haven't loaded it up with 1,000 Tron yet. But either way, don't forget. Okay, rookie mistake, just leave it open. Okay, once you signed in, make sure you're at the correct wallet. I know some of you have a bunch of wallets, like mine here, I have 3 wallets. So just make sure that you're logged into the wallet that you want to use to link to EzyTRX. Once you've done that, you can now go ahead and enter your Upline's Referral ID. So you just key in 630 as your Upline ID, then you'll be my downline, so you can register with my link. I have also left the link down below if you ever want to use it, so go ahead and key in 630 as your Referral ID. Once you've done that, just click on register now and this pop-up should open. And this pop-up is the link from TronLink to EzyTRX. And that is why I have emphasized on you getting TronLink. It is an essential step for you to link EzyTRX, the platform, to a specialized Tron wallet that calculates your earnings in 10 levels. And you can see here on the left that this is my account on the left, and on the right, that is the smart contract wallet address. This is not somebody's address, somebody's wallet. This is the smart contracts address that you can check on tronscan.io. It is the smart contract wallet address that distributes your earnings in real time. Okay, for everyone it's the same, it's just a smart contract address. It is not somebody's wallet. Okay, once you've done that, just click on accept and you're now in. Now it says you're at the entrance to the office. Congratulations. And if you ever want to check on the verification or you want to check on the status of your transaction, then you can go ahead and click on it. But for now, I'm just going to skip it. Click on the orange button at the very bottom where it says join to log in with us. Just check in EzyTRX and you'll be taken to this login page. Here, you don't have to put in anything. You can, if you want, you can put your Tron wallet address, you can put your ID, but because I have already logged in to my main account on TronLink, I don't have to put in anything there, and I can just click on authorization where it will bring me to the dashboard. Isn't that simple? So make sure you're logged into the correct account on TronLink. Once you click on authorization, it goes to your main dashboard. Okay, so I've just created this account. You can see that there has been 630 people who have joined before me, and in the past 3 hours, $315,000 have already been made on this platform. Isn't it cool? And you can see the steps here, EZ1 and EZ10. So remember the 2 engines, EZ1 and EZ10, where EZ1 is the direct referral and EZ10 is the matrix. Once you have purchased the first slot on EZ1, then EZ10 automatically gets activated. Okay, let's click around on the other buttons. You can see information just goes to instructions. You can go to the Telegram group or download the PDF. You can see some of your stats, your financial stats, and this is just like the activity log or your downline. You can see where your downline is. Okay, now I'm going to purchase the second step, which is 2,000 Tron. So I'm just going to click on buy, and remember this pop-up. Here it is again, it pops up and it's requesting for me to purchase the next step with 2,000 Tron. Again, on the left, that is my wallet address, and on the right, that is the smart contract wallet address. Okay, I know some of you have been asking, like, is it somebody's address? Is it a main wallet? Again, no. If you go to tronscan.io, you can verify that this is indeed a decentralized platform. Okay, so once I've done that, you can see that my level upgrade has been a success. Congratulations, your level upgrade of 2000 Tron has been done successfully, and you can check this transaction if you ever want to check. You can go ahead and click on it, but I'm just going to skip on it for now. And just refresh the page and you can see that my second step has been bought. Isn't it cool? Alright, so what do I do from here? Well, because I said that I personally recommend that you bring in at least 2 people under you, what I'm gonna do right now is just sign up 2 accounts under me, so get 2 people to sign in under your referral ID, and then come back here on the main page where I refresh, and then I'll show you my earnings again. So be right back. Welcome back. So you can see that on my dashboard, I have invited 2 people, and you can see that in my EZ1 and EZ10, I have already 2 people under me, and these are my earnings. On EZ1, I have already made 2000 Tron or $61, and in EZ10, I have already made 650 Tron or $19. So isn't that cool? It's just a few hours and I only invited 2 people. Imagine what I could have if I had invited more people. And let's build this business together. We all earn from our uplines, our spillovers, and everyone else in the matrix. It doesn't have to be just a direct referral system. There is also a matrix system. And that is what I really love about this program, where everyone benefits. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!